So we got this tire, those like portable compressors for your car tires. Slime. Someone got paid to pick that name for, I think it's the brand. Anyways, this thing was like 20, 30 bucks or something, like Target or some store like that. And it works okay, but it has this flashlight thing on here, which, as you can see, there are no lights in there. And the lights are actually in this thing. See if you can see through the gap there. You see that there's our board, the LEDs on it. You know, and it's the back of the board isn't insulated or anything, and so it's rattling around inside of there. You know, and there's some metal components and screws and stuff in there holding this compressor together, and I think it's short out. So, I mean, if it shorted out, I think things would be over very quickly, but I don't really want to find out how that goes down. So we're going to open this thing up and try to secure those guys. As usual, our screws are really recessed in these deep holes. It's good to get one of these like long bits for your screwdriver when you're taking stuff apart. See, this one won't even fit in this hole though. It doesn't even fit. Alright, well, let's think here. Do I have it? Man, this may just be the end of the video. This one's more narrow. Okay, so I've got two of these guys. One of them is more narrow than the other, but it looks like... Yeah, well, let's see if I can actually engage these screws. Not very well, but hopefully we only have to do this once. Digital. Let's back it out. Alright. Oh. That's kind of cool. Never actually looked inside one of these things before. I'm not very mechanically inclined, but it's kind of cool. It's a little crusty feeling. Huh. Not much to it. We've got a piston and a motor. Yeah. Our gauge is here. Wow. Start button. Goodness. These looks like, yeah, just like cheap LEDs. This wire here is super thin. I mean, you know, it's a compressor, not it's this is just so you can actually see, you know, if you're doing this at night, you can see where to actually put the thing. This isn't meant to be a dedicated illumination device. Yeah. I don't know why they didn't fasten those. There are screw holes for these for this board here. One of them is obscured by that resistor, but yeah. Anyways, I think I'm just gonna hot glue this. I'm just gonna hot glue it. Put a blob on there. A couple blobs maybe. Yeah. That's probably good enough. Yeah. Wouldn't really expect this thing to last for very long, but I think the idea is you just carry it around in your car and probably won't get used that much. Maybe just as like an emergency, I need air now kind of thing. It's a fun little mechanism though. I'm much more used to electronics. This is, that's cool. Alright, well, this guy, yeah. Yeah, it should hold. Yeah, it's not gonna rattle free. Alright, well, let's just close this guy up. And we're done with it. Get this shell back together. No, this should still be able to go on there, even though I put that glue. A lot easier to get it apart than to get it back together. I haven't secured any of the parts inside of this thing. All this rattling around, and they're supposed to be pinched in there by the case. Actually, I think this right here is actually being held by that screw. I might have just pulled that thing out and now we loosened it. Hope that's not what I did. Yeah, it seems that's it. Oh, sorry about that view there. Screw may be captive. There we go. Caution, do not hold while using. Place inflator on a hard, clean surface. So, not the side of the road. Or if you do this on the side of the road, you need to brush the tarmac off, the asphalt off, scrub it with some vinegar solution. Alright, that's that. Slime. Yeah. So if you get one of these, watch these guys. Make sure that they're there, and if they're not, they're probably inside of here. You just need to open it up and just hot glue them back on there.